Okay children, now one and only one. Now we are going to solve the problem from the exercise one. One and only one out of n plus 2 and n plus 3 is divisible by 3 where n is a positive integer. So children, here n plus 2 and n plus 4. So these are out of this they are going to solve. So children, he is asking that this will be divisible by 3 where n is a positive number. So n is a positive number and he is saying that it is divisible by 3. So when it is divisible by 3, the b divisible by 3 means it is exactly divisible by 3. So we are going to get the divisor will be the 3. So I am taking the value b. When I am taking the value of b, the values of r will be the 0, 1, 2, 3. Let us check now these problems. Now a is equal to 3n plus n. R is equal to 0. A is equal to 3n plus 0. Means here we are getting the 0 is 0 means it is 3n is exactly divisible by 3. So it is divisible, right? Now here we are going to take n plus 2. N is equal to 3n means here I am taking n plus 2 means 3n plus 2. So here we are getting 3n plus 2. So we are getting the remainder 2. So it is not divisible by 3. Yes. Next one, when n is equal to we have to add 4 here also and here also 3n plus 4. So if you are writing like this, we can write here 3n plus 3 plus 1. So we can take common 3n plus 1 plus 1. This if you are taking consider as some a, it is 3a plus 1. Means here also remainder is 1. So it is also not divisible by 3. We are getting the remainders here. It is also not divisible by 1. Here remainder we are getting 2, it is also not divisible by 1. But here whenever we are getting the 0, it is divisible by what? It is divisible by 3. Now in the case 2, when it is r is equal to 0, we did now what? R is equal to 1. So what happens? A is equal to 3n plus 1. So it is here only by seeing this only we can say that it is does not 1. Remainder we are going to get it is not divisible by 1. Now when here n plus 2. So here a plus 2 is equal to 3n plus 1 plus 2. So it will become 3n plus 3. So if you are taking common 3n plus 1. If you are taking some a it is as it will be the 3a. Means it is divisible by 3. So we are getting the no remainder, so it is divisible by 3. If you are taking a plus 4, n plus 4 something, 3n plus 1 plus 4. So what happens here? 3n plus 5 we are getting. If you are taking common also 3n plus 2. So if 3 is common, 3n plus 1 plus 2. So it is also not divisible by 3. Why? Because here also remainder we are getting the remainder 2. In the third case, when r is equal to 2. When r is equal to 2, what happens? When a is equal to 3n plus 1. First what happens? R is equal to 2. We have to take here 2. So it is also when remainder will be the 2. It does not divisible by 3. And in next case, when n plus 2, if you are adding 3n plus 2 plus 2. So it will be 3n plus 3 plus 1. So if you are taking 3n plus 1 common plus 1. So it is also not divisible by here. If you are taking this as a 3a plus 1. So you are getting the remainder is 1. So it is also not divisible by 3. Next, if it is you are taking n plus 4. So what happens? 3n plus 2 plus 4, it will become 3n plus 6. So 3 I take common, n plus 2. So n plus 2 you are getting the remainder will be the 0. So nothing remainder. So it is also divisible by 3. So in this way we are going to solve children. Here so is saying that one and only one out of the n and n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is a positive integer. So what we have to take this n plus 2, n plus 4 and n is some positive numbers. So when n is a positive number, here we have to, in previous problems we compared this with the Euclid's algorithm. But here already given that it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3 means the remainder will be the 0. Then we have to take consider it as divisible by 3. So here when it becomes b is equal to 3 is divisible by 3 means the divisor is 3. So b is a 3. When b is 3, the values of r will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So when r is equal to 0, a is equal to 3n. A is equal to 3n plus 0. So it is divisible by 3. When r is equal to n plus 2, it is not divisible by 3. Why? Because the remainder will be the 2. And here if you are taking n plus 4, here 3n plus 3, I split this 4 as 3 plus 1. Here n plus 1, we will take it as a common. If you are taking, it will be n plus 1. N plus 1 we are taking as a, and plus 1. Plus 1 means it is remainder is. So it is also not divisible by 3. Here if you are taking the case 2 and r is equal to 1, a is equal to 3n plus 1, a plus 2 is equal to 3n plus 1 plus 2. Here in this case you are taking, so it will be 3n plus 3. So 3n we are taking common 3 out, 3n plus 1. So n plus 1 will take it as some a. So it is not divisible by 3. Now a plus 4, 3n plus 1 plus 4. It will be 3n plus 5. So 3n plus 3 plus 2. So 3 common if you are taking n plus 1 plus 2. So here we are getting 2. So 2 does not divisible, 2 is the remainder we are going to get. It does not divisible by 3. Now in case 2 if you are seeing, case 3 if you are seeing n is equal, r is equal to 2, 3n plus 2. So already we are getting the 2 remainder. It does not divisible by 3. If a plus 2 is equal to 3n plus 2 plus 2, 3n plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So what I am doing here, 3 common. So 3n plus 1. This n plus 1 I am taking it as a. We are getting the remainder here. So it is also not divisible by 3. So here if you are a plus 4, 3n plus 2 plus 4, 3n plus 6. 3 into n plus, so I written this one 3 common I took 3 into n plus 2. So it is no remainder will be 0. So it is divisible by 3. By this your exercise 1 finished, children. Work out all the problems in the exercise. Thank you. Good morning, children. Let us discuss today in exercise 1 fourth problem. What he asked, children, by using the division algorithm, show that the cube of any positive integer, it is in the form of 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Let us discuss how. So we have to, by using the division algorithm. So we know that by using the division algorithm, a is equal to b cube plus r. So this is the division algorithm. A is equal to b cube plus r. So what it is? A is the dividend and b is the divisor, q is the quotient and r is the remainder. And here one more condition is that r should be less than, greater than or equal to 0 and less than p. So in this way we have to do no. Now it did not given a. So let a be the positive integer. Now then we have to compare with this one. So 9m. So 9m, a is equal to 9m plus 1 and a is equal to 9m plus 8. So if you are comparing like this, here it is in the form of a is equal to pq plus r. So here what happens here? So now by this we can say that the value of the b. What is the value of b? B will be the, b is equal to 9. Why? Because a is equal to 9m, a is equal to 9m plus 1 like that. b cube plus 1 or 9bq or b cube plus 8 like that. So we will then take it as a, b is equal to 9. Now what will be the r? The values of r will be, it should be less than or equal to 0 and it should be, greater than or equal to 0 and it should be less than 9. So what are the values? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what happens here? These are this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us check now. So in case 1, when r is equal to 0, when r is equal to 0, what happens? We have to take 9, a is equal to 9m. So 9m when r is equal to means it will So it happens 9m. So whenever you are comparing these, what happens? You have to cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides, it will be a cube is equal to 9m cube. So 9m whole cube. So what happens here? It will be 3 here. So 9 we have to take common, and here 9 I am taking common, and I am taking here 9 square and cube. So these, if you are taking this as some m, so it will be the 9m. So a cube is equal to 9m. So it is a cube is equal to 9m. So it is satisfied here. It is satisfied in this condition. So whatever we are getting, that we have to take it as, consider it as m. Now second, so when r is equal to 1, here case 1 is equal to, when r is equal to 1, so what we are going to take, a is equal to 9m plus 1. So cubing on both sides, cubing on both sides. So what happens? A cube is equal to 9m plus 1 whole cube. So here we know that a plus b whole cube formula. So what it is, children? Here ideal formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Like this is the formula for it. So what we are going to do here, 9m plus 1 whole cube means we have to write here 9m whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 9m square plus into b1 plus 3 9m into 1 square. Excellent. Like this we are going to write. So what happens here? This one, in this from all, we have tried like this. Then this 3 we have to take here 9m cube plus 3 9m square plus 3 into 9m plus 1. So what happened? We have to take here, it is 9 into m here also. So from this all this you have to take the 9m common. So 9m common if you are taking, 9 common we are taking. So 9 you are taking common, it will be the m cube here. If you are taking 9 common, remaining will be the 3m square. Then if you are taking 9 common, it will be plus 3 and it will be the plus 1. So this m cube plus 3m square plus 3, we have to take it as some m. So 3 will be the 3 plus 1 is equal to a cube is equal to. So what children? So a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. So we got this also. It is also satisfied. In this way, all the cases we have to check up to 9 is equal to 8. So next, in next one we will check children for next. I will show you one more, and then you are going to do remaining things. So when 9, when r is equal to 1, we did r is equal to 2. Let us do r is equal to 2. So what here? A is equal to 9m plus 2. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 2 whole cube. So what happens children here? Same formula, a cube plus b cube, 3a square b plus 3a b square. So here also a cube is equal to 3m whole cube plus 3m square into 2 plus 3 into 9m into 4 plus 8. Excellent. So you keep 8 aside and remind that from this we to take out 9 common. So 9 I am taking common. So it will be remain 9 means 9 whole cube. So 9 square m cube plus here also 9 common means 1 9 will become squares are there, no? So only 1 9. 3 into 9m will be 9m square will be there, and here what it is also 2. 3 2s are 6 will be there, and next one here also 9 into m is 9 if you are taking common, then it will be the 12m. And this we are writing 18. So this all if you are taking it as m. So what happens? It is a sum. A cube is equal to 9m plus 8. So this is also satisfied. If you are getting in such a way, you can use, you can take all values 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and you can solve the problem. If it is satisfied, you can write satisfied. Otherwise, it is not satisfied. Okay, children. This remaining you have to try in your works. Thank you. Hi children. I am fine and hope same with you. So let us discuss real numbers. Exercise 1. This is an exponential. Previously explained 2-3 problems in this exercise. If you want to see, I will give the link in the description, so you can go through that videos. Now what is? So in this, by using the division algorithm, is saying to show that the square of a positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So what it is? What is division algorithm? It is a is equal to b cube plus r. That we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is a division rule. So let us, and one more condition will be also there. The r will be less than 0 and less than or equal to 0 or greater than b. These two conditions will be there. So here we are going to see. See children, here a, we don't know the a. So let it will be something. Let a be a positive integer. This is some positive integer. You only said yes. This is some positive integer. Now what is b? So here 3p or 3p plus 1 is it. So if you see that, if you are comparing with the b cube plus r, so what happens here? 3p is a b cube plus r, or 3p plus 1, it is b cube plus r. If you are comparing, our b will be the 3. Our b will be the 3. So if it is, we can take here b, the value of b. The b will be the 3. If the b is the value of 3, then what will be the r? So what will be the r? R will be less than or equal to 0. R will be less than or equal to 0 or less than, R will be the greater than or equal to 0 and less than p. Means should be less than b and it should be greater than or equal to 0. So we can take r values 0, 1, 2. As well, these 3 values we can check. If you are taking these 3 values, so we have to check now. If when r, so here when r is equal to 0, case 1 we have to take that when r is equal to 0. So a is equal to b cube plus r. So when a is equal to 3q plus when r is equal to 0. So we are getting 3q. S. So we can square it on the both sides. If you are squaring on both sides, what happens? A square is equal to 3q whole square. So we are going to get here a square is equal to 9q. So if you are taking a 9q as a 3p as p. So what happens? I write this one. A square is equal to 3 into 3q. With this 3q, I will take it as some p or m or anything we can check. So what happens it is, if you are seeing a square is equal to some 3p. Assumption. So by this we can say that a square is equal to some 3p. So it is in the form of same thing. So it is correct. Next we have to check for case 2. When case 2, when r is equal to 1. When r is equal to 1. Excuse me children. So when case r is equal to 1. So when r is equal to 1, a is equal to b cube plus r. So a is equal to b cube plus 1. S. So we B also we know that I am taking this some 3. So now squaring on both sides. So what happens squaring on both sides? It is a square is equal to 3q plus 1. Yes, children. Yes. So what happens here? A square is equal to, when it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we will write here a square what? 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 whole square. So here what we are going to write here? A square is equal to, let us do here, a square is equal to, we are going to get it 9q square plus 6q plus 1. A square is equal. Okay, children. So what I am going to do, children, this I am going to write a square is equal to, from these I am taking 3 common, so it will be 2q square, sorry 3q square plus 2q plus 1 I am writing separately. Yes. So what happens if it is in the form of, if you are taking this considering it as a, so a square is equal to 3 plus 1. It is in the form of a 3b plus 1. Same. So when we are going to see, when the case it is 3, 2, r is equal to 2. You know case 3. So case 3 what, children, we have to check that when it is, when r is equal to 3. Same way we have to check a is equal to 3q plus 2, we are going to take squaring on both sides. We have to square on both sides. So we are going to get same, a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Yes. Then what happens here? A plus b whole square. So here a square is equal to 9q square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. So what we are going to get here? 9 square a square is equal to, we are getting 9q square. We are getting 9q square plus 2 2s are 4 3s are 6. So let us keep like this only, and we are going to take common from this. So how to take common from this? So here I am taking some 3 I am taking. Here 2 square it will be the 4. 2 square it will be the 4. So first let us write this one, that's then we will check. 9q square plus what? It is 2 into 3q into 2 plus this 2 square is 4. 4 I am writing as 3 plus 1. I am writing as 3 plus 1. This 4 2 square means it is 4 children. But I am writing this 4 3 plus 1. It is same. So what happens from these, we can take some 3 common. So it will be 3q plus 3 common means whenever you are taking out this 3 common, so remaining will be 2 into 2. Yes. 3q also will be there, children. Only 3 we are going to take common. So 2 q will be remaining. So it is 4. Here also it is square. So whenever you are taking out 3 will be there. 3 3s are 9. Q square is there, q square. In this way, if you are taking a 3 common here, what happens? 2 will be there, 2 will be there, q. 2 to 4, q. Then from here, we written 4 square as 3 plus 1. So only 3 we are going to take a common. So here we are going to get a sum 1. And we are going to write it is 1. And this all we are going to take it as sum p. Yes. So if we want in this form only, no, that's right. So a square is equal to, again we are getting a square is equal to 3p plus 1. Yes, children. In this way we are going to, okay. So for this problem in this way we are going to solve. We are getting in the form. So what he has is asking using the division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So first what we have to do, we have to take this to a is equal to bq plus r, and we have to check these conditions. R should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than p. Then a will be the some positive number and we have to take what is the b. We have to compare the 3p with the a is equal to bq plus r. And we, after comparing, we are going to get the values of r. After getting the values of r, we have to check we have to check for r. We have to take 0 first, then 1, then 2, and we have to get it is in the form of same 3p or 3p plus. If you are getting it is finished. And this is the essay question, children, and compulsory question for you. So learn well. Thank you, children.